Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your location in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into channels and tap on a channel, and then in the top right corner tap on the chat icon. And here in the bottom left corner, we just tap on the plus icon and tap on location. Then the app is going to ask us if we would like to allow it to use our location. And yeah, we can just continue on by tapping on, I don't know, by using the app or always. Anyways, that's pretty much how you do it. I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.